Hello, in this video we are going to look at an important concept which is the calculation of market share. I will focus only on the calculation rather than looking at the details of market share and its implication on businesses. So we'll start with the definition of market share. Market share is the percentage of total market sales held by one brand or business. It is almost always expressed as a percentage. Market share is equal to the company's sales divided by total market sales multiplied by 100. Let us now have a look at a couple of examples. So here is the market share of PC for 2018 and 2019. So we have for 2 years here. As you can see, Lenovo is on number 1. Lenovo occupies the highest share in the PC market, followed by HP, Dell, Apple, Acer, and others. Here is another example of carbonated drinks. As you can see, Coca-Cola dominates the market with 47% of the total market share. And then we have others with 24%, then Pepsi 21% and Cadbury 8%. Let us now have a look at this practical example. So company X has a total sales of $40 million and the total market sales is $800 million. Calculate its market share. By now we all know market share formula, which is equal to company sales divided by total market sales multiplied by 100. Here the company sales is 40 divided by the total market sales, which is 800 multiplied by 100. So the answer is 5%. Therefore company X occupies the market with a market share of 5%. Let us move on to another practical example. Here company Y market share is 8%. So we know the market share and the total market sales is $600 million. Calculate company Y sales. So all we have to do is to just fit in the figures in the formula. So this is a mathematical equation. Therefore, the company's sales is 8 multiplied by 600 divided by 100. The answer is $48 million. Therefore, company Y sales is $48 million. Now we move on to another example. Company Z has a market share of 10% and its total sales is $70 million. Calculate the total market sales. Same like the other two examples, all we have to do is to fit in the figures in our formula. Therefore, the total market sale is equal to 70 multiplied by 100 divided by 10. So the total market sales is equal to $700 million. Let us now have a look at this example. Which company has a larger market share? Here we have two companies, company A and company B. We are assuming that they are operating in the same market. So the total company sales for company A is 8,900 and for company B it is 7,800. All these figures are in million dollar. The total market sales is $120 million. Market share, we know our formula. Market share is equal to company sales divided by market sales multiplied by 100. So here for company A, it is 8,900 divided by 120,000. We'll ignore the million dollar multiplied by 100. So the answer is 7.4%. And for company B, it is 7,800 divided by 120,000 multiplied by 100, the answer is 6.5%. Therefore, company A market share is 7.4% and company B market share is 6.5%. Hence, company A has a higher market share compared to company B. Do not forget how market share is a good indicator of the competitive strength of a business and what strategies businesses might use to improve their market share. But for now, that's the end of this short video on how to calculate market share. Hope it has been useful to you all. I'll see you soon. Bye.